Here at the Bendigo Discovery Centre, we miss being able to have visitors right now. And quite frankly, we're starting to get a little bit lonely.
Welcome to the Discovery Science and Technology Centre. Are you ready for some hands-on learning fun?
So we've come up with an idea to help us stay connected with everyone.
Next month is Discovery's 25th birthday and would like to challenge you to make a video of a chain reaction.
Some energy being passed from one object to another. It doesn't have to be over the top, you just have to make some connections.
The most creative chain reaction will win a prize package from our gift shop, with the winner to be announced on our 25th birthday, Halloween.
It's all about making connections. For details on how to get involved, including our free chain reaction workshops, head to the Discovery Centre website. Or simply send your chain reaction video to bookings@discovery.asn.au.